Clearing traces of recently opened files and folders prevents malicious users from gaining insights into sensitive files you may have opened, especially when using public computers. Here is a quick guide to clear recent activity in seconds using command prompt. Type cmd in the search bar and run command prompt as an administrator. Type del. Kill refers to quiet mode, which suppresses confirmation prompts. F forces deletion of read-only files. Appdata, Microsoft, Windows, Recent refers to all files in the recent folder located inside Microsoft Windows directory within the appdata folder. When executed, this command removes all the shortcuts in the recent folder, effectively clearing the list of recently opened files from your user profile.